Balikan natin, tell us about Alimuo. That's the title of your film,
Yeah,
right? Ito yung sa national entry mo,
Opo.
tama? Ano ba yung Alimuom?
Alimuom meaning alingasa, which is yung alimuom po about po siya sa gawa ng tinapa. Pero with a twist po, parang yun po. Pag napanood po yung movie, parang
Doon nila
doon po maintindihan,
kung
parang
bakit Alimuom.
may meaning din po yung alimuom, di lang po about siya sa smoke ng tinapa or ano.
Oo. Deep story.
Deep story.
Deep story. At congratulations kasi ang dami yung awards.
Thank you po.
And even yung maging isa ka sa finalist, diba, for the national entry, isang nakarangalan na for Cam Norteños. Doon pa lang we're proud of you and the team. Isa yung best cinematography, best actor, yung
Best actor.
best production design, best poster, and jury choice award kayo. Nominee for best musical score. Ang dami talaga. Nominee for most promising actor. And nominee for best screenplay. Grabe, ang dami. Sobrang nakaka-proud.
Thank you po.
Tsaka very inspiring na ang dami nyong na-receive na awards.